Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how to fix output bin full error in the printer. So normally if you go to the Konica Minolta printer, on the top right side you will see the output tray is full. So in that case what you have to do is on the left side there is an output tray. So just check that and make sure all the printed pages are taken out and there is no any obstruction as well as enough space for new prints. Then check for the paper jam. Is there any paper jam on the printer? If that the case, then just take it out. So if the output tray is clear and there is no paper jam, then it might be the case the sensor is faulty. So in that case, just restart the printer. So once you restart, then error will go away if there is no paper jam and the output tray is clear. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more educational contents. Thank you.